In a world where creatures could regrow lost parts, a tiny lizard faced a dilemma. "Why can you regrow your tail?" asked a curious bird. "It's nature's gift," replied the lizard, "a reminder that setbacks aren't the end." The bird pondered, "But what if I can't?" "Then you adapt," the lizard chirped. "Find new ways to fly higher." Inspired, the bird soared, realizing resilience wasn't just about regrowth, but transformation. Embrace change. For every challenge is a chance to evolve. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.